Alright, in this video we'll look at figures and subplots. So let's just go ahead and create another. Okay, just like in the previous video, I've imported NumPy to create NumPy arrays and matplotlib. And let's define two arrays using NumPy. Let's call it in-space function here, where we define the lower and upper limits and the number of points that we'd like to generate, and also similarly call in-space again to generate, let's say, numbers between 10 and 30. Those are the upper and the lower limits, and let's generate 50 of those points between those limits. Now, in order to define a figure, you use the plt module and call figure. This index is figure to 1. Now, to define subplot, what you do is kind of give this form of an indexing, wherein what this means is that you have one row, two columns, and this one refers to the row 1, column 1, the first part of that split. And then you go ahead and plot your arrays that you created using NumPy. And let's add a title to differentiate our plots in the subplot. Let's call this plot 1. Similarly, for your plot 2, excuse me for copy and pasting the codes. The only things that will change here is that you gotta refer to the second index in the subplot. So one row, two columns, and I'm referring to the second index. And to differentiate the plots, let's just square this array, and call this plot 2. And then finally, you go ahead and call the show method. That's about it. You can go to your terminal and execute this. Alright, so hold on. Matplot. Alright, so there you go. That's how you can create multiple plots using subplot. And here we have plot 1 and plot 2. Alright guys, that's about this tutorial. See you guys in the next one.